Good.
Yeah, heritage drill in here. It's got the 6-cylinder John Deere turbocharged diesel engine. Looks like somebody put a new injector pump on it recently, so you can see. Pump's shiny. The unit starts and runs very good. Standard shift transmission. It's got 4 outriggers on it. See the cylinders are good, not leaking. Good rubber on it. It has a standard shift transmission and clutch. You can show one. Good seat. No cracks or welds in the frame that we see. That does have a planetary drive. You have a massive boom on it, you can see. All your controls, your outriggers and so on the side of the machine. This runs your drill head. All these controls back here. Going. It has a massive size head. You can see 2-speed transmission in it. It is a John Deere transmission. Says John Deere right on it. Pump on it, water pump. Everything seems to be intact. So on. See good tread on the tires. When I put on the machine, it bends in the middle. And the starts to run very good. You can see it has 2 winches on the boom. On the back side here, hydraulic winches. One's a planetary style, one's a direct drive style.